Winter is setting in across the mountain terrains of Himalayas. There was a sharp fall in temperature after many areas in the higher reaches of Kashmir Valley on Monday, which received fresh snowfall, while the plains including Srinagar experienced rains. According to Meteorological Department, showers will continue over the next 48 hours. There are reports of snowfall in the higher reaches of the valley, including Amarnath Cave Shrine, Sheshnag, Panchtarani, and Gulmarg. The plains were lashed out by rains overnight, while Srinagar received 13.1 mm of rainfall during the night. Gulmarg and Pahalgam tourist resorts received 27.2 mm and 23.6 mm rains respectively. However, despite rainfall, the Srinagar-Jammu National Highway remained open to traffic.